Pliny, our favorite jailbreaker, is testing Opus 4 to create a website of himself. So he goes ahead and tells Claude Opus 4, hey, check out the entire web to gather info about me and make a super cool website about it. Pliny says, quote, Opus ate it all up like it was nothing, fully grasping even the laziest of prompts and making complex changes without breaking anything else. In under 1 hour of tinkering, I now have a custom website that I think I'll actually deploy. This is the crazy shit. You can tell Claude to make you a fucking website, and in half an hour you have an actual fucking website. So it becomes the skill of being able to prompt it right. But as Pliny says, even the shittiest, laziest prompting has made an amazing product. And then he went ahead and deployed this website, gave it an URL called pliny.gg. And pliny.gg is indeed an amazing website about academic citations, because Pliny has been citing academic stuff. Fun Pliny facts, this shit is a legit work of art. But then, Pliny says, even a handful of Easter eggs are on the website. So I went ahead and checked out the code of the website. And after enough fucking around and asking Opus 4 himself to help me understand the code of the website here, I found the portal to Basilisk Rave Mode.